Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Maharush Rizwan from Biotech Department. Under the enrollment ID 20010231008. Today my topic is a polymer application in medical science. The table of contents of this topic are polymer, polymer structure, VN of biomedical polymer, natural polymer, synthetic polymer, biomaterial, polymer for medical application, collagen, chemistry of collagen, biomedical application of collagen, fibrin, biomedical application of fibrin, bio, biodegradable polymers, synthetic polymer and used as biomaterial, polymers in medicines. First of all, I will introduce to you about polymer. What is polymer? Polymer any of a class of natural or synthetic substances composed of a very large molecules called macromolecules that are multiples of simpler chemical units called monomers. Polymers make up of many of the materials in living organisms including for example proteins, cellulose and nucleic acid. Then the structure of polymer. There are four basic polymer structures: linear, branched, cross-linked and network. The atoms in a polymer molecule are joined together by strong covalent bonds in long chain. Branched polymers resemble linear polymer with the addition of shorter chains hanging from spaghetti backbones. And then when polymers are divided into two main groups: naturally occurring polymers and synthetic polymers. Natural polymer and synthetic polymers are also called biopolymers. First of all, natural polymer. Natural polymers occur in nature and can be extracted. They are often water based. For example, silk, wool, DNA, cellulose, protein. And then synthetic polymer. Synthetic polymers are derived from petroleum oil and made by scientists and engineers. For example, nylon, polyethylene, polyester, Teflon, epoxy. And then what is biomaterial? Biomaterial play an important role in medicine. Biomaterial may be natural or synthetic, are used in medical application to support or replace damaged tissue or a biological function. Any natural or synthetic substance engineered to interact with biological systems in order to direct medical treatment. Polymer for medical applications. Synthetic and natural polymers, which are also called biopolymers, are commonly used in tissue engineering because of valuable properties. Biocompatibility, biodegradability, good mechanical properties. For this reason, a lot of current research studies for medicine is focused on this group of materials. Polymers give the great opportunity to fulfill one of the main assumptions of regenerative medicine and tissue engineering, which is formation of wholesome tissue in vivo conditions. Recent years, polymers have become the most used and the investigated materials for applications in medicine. In case of tissue engineering, the most important features of polymers are ability to be easily reproduced, their versatility, tunable properties, and the biodegradability. The applications of collagen, the application contactive tissue matrices. Collagen is found in tissues such as skin, blood vessels, bone, tendon, and ligament, and is characterized by tremendous strength. And their applications in biomedical polymer are surgery, drug delivery, prosthetic implants, tissue engineering for multiple organs. Biomedical application of collagen. Collagen is used widely in cosmetic surgery and as wound healing aids in burn patients. These are used widely for reconstruction of bone and a wide variety of dental, orthopedic, and surgical purposes. Chemistry of collagen. Collagen consists of a protein with three polypeptide chains, each of which contain a repeat XY amino acid sequence, where X and Y are usually proline and hydroxyproline respectively. The 29 types of collagen are similar in that there are contained three polypeptide chains in a characteristic triple helix structure. And the second one is fibrin. Fibrin is a peptide non-globular protein. Forms long strands of tough insoluble protein that are bound to the platelets. A protein derived from fibrinogen is in the presence of thrombin, which form part of the blood clot. Fibrin, by the action of thrombin, a clotting enzyme. Wound healing. Fibrin sealant used in surgery. Biomedical applications of fibrin. Menisci are the crucial structures in the knee joint as they play important functions in load transfer, maintaining joint stability, and in hemostasis of articular cartilage. Unfortunately, one of the most frequently occurring knee injuries are meniscal tears. Fibrin gels prepared from fibrinogen and the thrombin, the key proteins involved in blood clotting, were among the first biomaterials used to prevent bleeding and promote wound healing. The unique polymerization mechanism of fibrin, which allows control of gelation times and network architecture by variation in reaction conditions, allows formation of a wide array of soft substrates under psychological conditions. Biodegradable polymers. Most widely used PGA, polyglycolic acid, PLA, polylactic acid, PLGA, polylactic acid. Their applications are tissue screws, structure anchors, meniscus repair. Medical and healthcare PMMA is a high purity and easy to clean material and hence used to fabricate incubators, drug testing devices, storage cabinets in hospitals and research labs. Also, due to its high biocompatibility, PMMA is also applied as dental cavity fillings and bone cement. Synthetic polymer used as biomaterials. PMMA, polymethylene and polymethyl cryolate. Resistant to inorganic solution, excellent optical properties, and their applications are blood pump, bone cement, implantable ocular lenses. Polymer in medicines. Metal bone plates used for breaks and fractures. PMMA used in cornea replacement surgery. Artificial heart was introduced in 1950 to 60s is also an application of polymers in medicine. Eyeglass lenses are made of PMMA contact lenses revolutionized industry made of PHEMA. More than half of biomaterial applications are now made up of or contain some polymers. Artificial skin derives from polymers in laboratory. Internal kidney dialysis machine develop membrane advancements. And then the conclusion, polymer in medicines. Implants, ligament and tendon repair, artificial heart valves, hemodialysis, blood bags, joint prosthesis, cardiovascular prosthesis, plastic surgery, and many others. That was all of about my topic. Thank you.